I didn't do that.
Okay.
Watch your back.
Hey, Chris, nice to see you again.
Is the trench flooded again?
Yeah. Do you think I can make it?
No.
Probably not.
Where?
Looks like it's unsafe.
Open fire on back tower.
Matthew.
Open fire on back tower.
Matthew. Matthew, are we good? What? Can I run?
I wouldn't do it.
I'm trying to get to
I can't jump over the seat. Get behind that tree.
Jacob.
Yeah. Shut up. Oh, come on, I lost my knife. Jake. Advance the hill.
What do you want us to move?
Advance. Steven. Steven. Cover me. Huh? Tower.
Dude, I'm coming up beside you on your left. Where are they coming from?
Tower.
Huh?
Tower.
The tower. Okay. I see him. He's up now. Good shot. There he is. Yeah, you got it. I'm going that tree over there, buddy. All right. You ready? Got it. How many hits you get? 2?
4.
Huh?
4.
That's right, you better move.
I suggest you go
No, I'm not talking.
Wait, your name's Grayson, right? I kind of know you.
I would try so, but I feel like I don't want to get myself.
You don't covering the fort. I got the tart. Don't worry.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I always take answers from nobody.
Oh my god, yeah.
Dude,
They're like they're flanking us from the left.
No dip.
Behind the tree line by the orange sandbag.
Grayson, is that an M4 or M14?
M4. A1.
I have an M14. JT!
Where are they coming from?
So
They're
bad.
coming, dude, they're flanking us from everywhere.
We're getting surrounded, guys.
Oh, Patrick's over there. Oh, crap.
Patrick's over there.
Yeah, Patrick, JT, all over there. Look, I see them over there. They're running now, they're running. They're running.
Hit them. I'm out.
Ammo?
No. In my mag.
I got it. Fanny pack for people. I saw JT's head go like this. Oh, I'm like,
On our hard left.
Did he give it
You
up or did he
cover by the tart.
okay. Dad, where you going?
have to cover by the top?
Where's the top?
He's behind the giant bush now.
Where's my logo? Behind us.
I need you, man.
Oh my god, Patrick, quit moving.
Got you again, Dad.
Get flagged. It doesn't hurt as bad as like
There's at least one more.
I'm getting the drum mag so I don't have to keep reloading.
Oh my god, there's JT. There's JT. He's back in.
Is he running for us?
Yeah, look. See him. Look, he's standing up. See him?
Call safety.
See his little blue
I see him.
Hey, Jake, wait till he comes up and call safety on him.
He pops up as if he were.
Go out of here. You got him?
Oh, wait, you freaking passed?
Oh.
God, I'm fogging up so bad.
He's on the middle of the hard left. Straight parallel to us. On the left side.
Jake, I lost my knife. Try and find it. If you can.
Come on, guys.
Well, he's down. I'm ready to make.
I'll make it more.
You see him?
Want to get a card?
Yes.
Nope.
Get him, get him.
I'm fishing!
Who's covering the left with me?
I got the right.
I need to help out.
Zach, you got the left. I gotta fix myself, dude. Zach, get the left. I have to fix myself.
Dirt mound over there.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see him.
Wish I could find that tree.
See him? I saw him. He's like right at the edge of the dirt mound.
Cover me.
Oh, that there he is. Nice timing, Jacob.
Jake's not one time.
No, right down there. Take that. but okay. So when do we know? Oh wait, I forgot.
You want to hear a battle rifle?
What?
Want to hear a battle rifle from like Halo?
Sure will.
Quit talking to him.
Dude, that guy's only got a pistol. Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Nice shot.
it would.
Yeah, look like that. Just like it ricochets and hits all of us. I suck at this and I've only been shot once.
Oh, he's Tommy. Oh, wait, no. No, he's completely out. He's not on our team. He's completely out.
Watch it! Yeah, hell.
Don't they care about safety?
You do not want to see me when I get ticked with this thing.
Do they care about safety?
I would for nothing.
At all?
I've already seen you on Halo when you get hit.
You ain't seen me in airsoft.
Look, he's moving.
Oh, darn, I gotta go on those guns.
Try having
Yes, we got him!
me with half ammo in this and my friend with only a knife.
There he is. See, we got him.
And there's 5 people on this giant hill in front of us. I didn't go down. I just kept firing.
I would just like this go.
Okay, so you gotta
Squat,
do this.
shoot, squat, shoot, squat. Dude, nobody's there.
Guys, I think we gotta move up a bit. We can't just hide
Yeah, right.
Guys, you might have to hide this hole, whatever it's for.
He's running!
Where? Where is he?
Wait, are we allowed to run?
Oh, heck yeah.
Okay, it's pretty much clear. There's only like a guy left.
Let's get
On
that
that
guy down
side.
so we can have six.
Let's go.
Who's winning?
Guys,
There's tons of guys in the castle.
Oh, that's nice.
Tons in the castle.
Was there any way we could invade the castle and infiltrate it? Is there any way we can get inside the castle?
Well, we can flank him.
Okay, you guys stay up here. Jason, let's go.
No, I'm gonna go down there with you.
You need to cover us. You guys need to cover us.
My gun doesn't have range. Cover range. One of you guys
Oh, that current exploded.
One of us needs to.
That's the only way to get inside
My gun
the
doesn't
castle.
have range, so I need to stay out here.
Yeah, I saw that one.
See, my gun doesn't
And
have
then there's like,
range, so I can
say about 3 in the
You don't have range?
My gun doesn't have the best range. It has range, it just doesn't have great range.
Well, guys, just hurry up and make your decision. We're staying up
I mean, I can shoot it far, I just have to do projector.
We have to go around this way. Advance up the side.
Anyone around me, I'm coming up.
I see
Can't go that
someone
way.
behind me. Bulldozer. It is so BT. BT behind the bulldozer. You gotta run!
What?
I don't know what he's up there.
Great, I'm out again. Thanks.
Listen, watch out.
Oh,
Get in
there's
your
one
shooting
down
range.
below.
No, I'm not
And
out.
there's one in the top.
Anyway,
Oh, my gun broke.
Okay?
I'm out.
God. How do I get rid of this fog?
Put your hand inside your mask and wipe it out.
No.
Hey, I gave you an obvious answer.
I know.
Because you asked an obvious question.
Hey, guys, I gotta go run back. My gun, taking my suppressor off. Get me better range.
I think the reason I have all this fog is because I have this thing covering me.
So what's the plan? We're going to make a push for the castle?
I think the
Try and
castle
take
is
it.
probably the most of their team. I think they're pretty much camping there. So that is a bad idea.
That's why we're trying to get inside of it.
We're trying to take them all out from a distance so we can get in there with ease.
Well, if we take them all out from a distance, then there is no reason to get in there.
I know.
Because they'll all be out of the game.
But I mean, like, if we get a few of them out, we can just get there and take them all out.
That's what we're trying to do is advance from the castle, get inside of it, and get them from close. Now, if I had I have one friend, he's basically completely CQB in Young Marines. It's fallen off a building, broken a couple ribs. He's like the only stupid person out here enough to
Is anybody,
run up with only a knife.
on our left in that area?
I don't.
Next to that too?
I can't tell if that's the fog if I can't tell.
If we got a friendly walk through there, let's see what happens. It looks like they got Marines up there.
I think I've only been hit once.
I think it's 4.
So this is your last one?
No. I got 2 left.
Okay.
I respawned once and I respawned again.
Oh.
So I got 2 lives.
No one saw that.
Apparently I did. What'd you drop in there?
I didn't drop anything. I shot it.
Oh great, I'm not ammo, just gotta wind it up.
Is yours even feeding?
Yeah, it's feeding. I
I
just
can't
wind
believe
it
I
up.
just didn't get shot right there.
Yeah, you pretty lucky.
Yeah, I know. I
Look
just
out.
chopped all right across.
Where I'm standing, I'm looking straight at the right window on this side of the castle, and we got one in that window.
Bottom or top?
I think that got my sniper.
That's not getting a
And he just spotted me.
Put electrical tape around your barrel. It hides it.
They know we're here.
They've known we're here.
No, they're just taking lucky shots at everyone.
I know.
They know they.
I'm gonna try and go up.
We've got people here. That's why they're shooting us.
I'm gonna try and go up.
I mean, like imagine that someone like drills a hole with all their bullets.
Done it.
Somebody pretty much has. I'm not sure where. But I know
Hey,
we gotta move up.
Connor,
We can't stay
someone
here.
cover me.
Get full auto.
I think I'll make a run for that dirt mound.
Yeah, me too.
3, 2, 1, go. You good?
Barely.
Hold up, checking.
They're all over the castle. What do you mean on top? Yeah, I think I have kind of angry cement.
Look up. Yeah.
You can't hit me. I'm behind a wood cover. Woo! Flew past us.
Okay, actually, he's on the bottom still.
Where to next? That little fellow over there. I can make it. Closer I get, more chance I have to get the shot.
Oh my god.
Pull in.
Why is this so much fun but so hard?
Oh, I don't know, because people are shooting at you and you're trying to move
At least you can do that.
without getting hit. I know where I'm going to go next. See that dirt hill? Around the tree over there?
Yeah.
That's where.
That's where I went and I got nailed.
You got nailed. How?
Well, like, I don't know. I just got hit in the face.
When did you do it?
Like right when the game started.
That's why. There's only about half the people on the field now.
Should
On
we?
both teams.
Should we move?
That's what we're trying to advance from the castle for.
Or should we go there? Or should we flank them?
We're flanking them, taking out the guys downstairs, calling safety on them, stuff like that. You have to call safety before you get called on, or they shoot you.
Okay, you wanna move?
Sure. Cover me!
Guys! Give us cover. Guys, give us cover. We're gonna move. We're dancing. Whatever. Are we just gonna run?
You cover me, I'll cover you. How about that?
Where are we moving to again?
That hill.
That. You do it first. Okay. Go now. Ready?
Hold on.
Set. Go.
Shoot. Make sure their heads go down. Tell me when their heads go down.
You can do it. Go.
Safety. No, you're not gonna shoot me. Sitting behind cover. Surrender. Surrender. Surrender.